Debbie Nico is going to eat a whole clove of garlic. Here it goes. He's gagging a little bit. Swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it. You baby.
What is it? I want to do it.
Oh shit, I'm tearing.
I want to do
Oh, I
it.
can't do it. It's too crazy.
How big is the piece that you have to eat?
My mouth is burning.
How big is the piece you have to eat?